Animal shelters all over our area are overcrowded, and with overnight temperatures still freezing cold, that can be dangerous for outdoor pets and animals.
News 5's John Engel shows us how you can make a shelter for less than 15 bucks.
In Washington County, Tennessee alone, there are over 22,000 feral and community cats and thousands more outdoor pets in our region. With this do-it-yourself shelter, you can give them a safe place to stay when temperatures drop.
Here's what you need to get started: an 18-gallon tub and a 10-gallon tub, a utility knife, duct tape, foam pipe covers, and straw.
First stage that we're working on right now is heating this up because it's easy to cut them when they're heated. Trace a circle, and this is going to be the opening. Draw with a Sharpie where you're going to cut in here. So now the fun part is filling it with straw. What people don't realize is that not all cats can be in a home. When people bring feral cats like that to the shelter can't adopt them out. They don't have the funding or the resources or the time to work with these cats, so they're one of the first to be euthanized. A blanket, $2.50 at Walmart.
A lot of people have the misconception that animals can withstand extreme cold because they have fur, and that is not true.
And we'll just fit it around the inside here.
The best way to control community cat colonies is to spay and neuter. Colonies can grow exponentially from a single cat.
A female kitten can give birth at 4 months old, and she can have 2 or 3 litters on average every year.
For less than 15 bucks and 20 minutes, you can be part of the solution, giving outdoor and community animals a safe place to stay year-round.
For the full step-by-step on how to put together this outdoor shelter, go to WCYB.com. In Washington County, Tennessee, John Engel, News 5, WCYB.